Graph of linear equations. Find the solution of the following equations graphically. 2x plus y equal to 6, x plus y equal to 5. Now to solve these equations graphically, first you have to write the first equation, 2x plus y equal to 6, and you have to find different values of x and y which satisfies this equation. For that you have to complete a table for x and y, x, y, and the last is coordinate xy. You can put 3 different values. You can take any value for x and get the corresponding value for y. Now I am going to put x equal to 1. So this becomes 2 into 1 plus y equal to 6. 2 ones are 2 plus y equal to 6, or y equal to 6 minus 2, or y equal to 4. So when you are putting x equal to 1, you are getting y equal to 4. So the first coordinate is 1, 4. Now you can put the next value, put x equal to 2. So in this equation, put x equal to 2. So 2 into 2 plus y equal to 6. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus y equal to 6. Therefore, y equal to 6 minus 4. Therefore, y equal to 2. So, when x equal to 2, y is equal to 2. So, the next coordinate is 2, 2. Next, you can put one more value. Put x equal to 3. So, in this equation, put x equal to 3. So, 2 into 3 plus y equal to 6. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus y equal to 6. So, y is 6. Bring the 6 to the other side, minus 6. So, the value of y is 0. So, here when x equal to 3, the value of y is 0. So, this coordinate is 3, 0. So, you have got the table for the first equation, 2x plus y equal to 6. In the same way, you have to take the second equation. The second equation is x plus y equal to 5. I am going to write it here. X plus y equal to 5. Now, for this, you have to make another table for the values for x and y, x, y, and coordinate xy. You can put the value for x as 1, 2, and 3. Now here put x equal to 1. So 1 plus y equal to 5. So what is y? Y is 5 minus 1, or y equal to 4. So when x is 1, y is 4. So the first coordinate is 1, 4. Next is put x equal to next value 2. So here 2, x is 2. 2 plus y equal to 5. So y equal to 5. Bring 2 to the other side, minus 2. So y equal to 3. So when x is 2, y is 3. So the next coordinate is 2, 3. Next is put x equal to next value I have taken as 3. So here put x is 3. So 3 plus y equal to 5. Therefore, y equal to 5. Take 3 to the other side, minus 3. So y equal to 2. So when x is 3, y is 2. So the next coordinate is 3, 2. Now you have got the first table is for the first equation, 2x plus y equal to 6. And the second table is for the second equation, x plus y equal to 5. Here you can take any values for x and get the corresponding value for y. You can take any value. Now you have to draw the graph for this. Using this table, you have to draw the graph and get the solution. Now to draw the graph, first is you have to write the scale. X-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. That is y-axis is also 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Scale is x-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit and y-axis is 1 centimeter is 1 unit. Now you will mark the points. First is draw the x-axis and y-axis. This is x, O, x dash, and this is y, O, y dash. Next is mark here positive values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. On the left side negative -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, and above here on the y-axis above is positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and below negative values -1, this is the point, -2, -3, -4, -5, etc. Now, so here this L shape is positive and the 7 shape is negative. Now you are going to mark the coordinates. See the first equation. First point is 1, 4. X is 1 and y is 4. X is 1. This is on the x-axis 1 and y is 4. Through this you will go up to the y-axis and this is the point 1, 4. Next is x is 2, y is 2. Here on x-axis, x is 2, go up to y-axis, this is the point 2. So second coordinate 2, 2. Next is x is 3 and y is 0. On x-axis, this is the point 3 and y is 0. So no need to go up, it is on the x-axis itself. This is the point 3, 0. Now you have to join these 3 points using scale. Join 3 points using scale and you can extend it on both the sides. Now here this equation is 2x plus y equal to 6. Now in the same way take the second equation. You are going to draw the second line. Here x is 1 and y is 4. X is 1, this is the point 1 and y is 4. Same point once again, x is 1, y is 4. Second point is x is 2 and y is 3. X is 2 and y is 3. So here this is the point 2, 3. Next is x is 3 and y is 2. X is 3 and y is 2. This is the point 3, 2. Now you have to join these 3 points 1, 4. 2, 3 and 3, 2 using scale. 1, 4, 2, 3 and 3, 2. You will join it using scale and extend it, and this is the equation x plus y equal to 5. Now see, these 2 lines are intersecting at this point 1, 4. So from that point you will draw the perpendicular downwards. See, it is intersecting at the point 1. Therefore, x equal to 1. And from this point, you will draw the perpendicular to y-axis. It is intersecting at the point 4. Therefore, y equal to 4. Therefore, solution is x equal to 1 and y equal to 4. Now similarly, you will solve these equations graphically. First is x plus y equal to 4, 2x plus y equal to 5, and you should get the answer as x is equal to 1 and y equal to 3. Check the answer. And second question is 2x plus y equal to 6, 2x minus y equal to 2. You should get the answer as x equal to 2, y equal to 2. That is homework for you. Now next is check whether the pair of linear equations 9x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal to 0. Intersect at a point, are parallel or coincident. So first is you have to write all this equation is in the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. So what is a1 here? Here a1 equal to 9, b1 equal to coefficient of y 3 and c1 equal to constant term 12. Next is this is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So a2 equal to 18, coefficient of x is 18, b2 is coefficient of y is 6 and c2 is constant term, that is 24. Now for this you have to find a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is 9 by 18. You can cancel 1 by 2. Now next is b1 by b2. Find b1 by b2. It is 3 by 6. You can cancel it. That is also 1 by 2. So first one is 1 by a1 by a2 is 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is also 1 by 2. Find c1 by c2. 12 by 24. That also can be cancelled. 12 ones are 12 twos are. So here you are getting 1 by 2. So you have got therefore a1 by a2, all the three ratios are equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, all are equal to 1 by 2. So you know that if all the three ratios are equal, then they are coincident lines. You know what are coincident lines? Infinite number of solutions, that is these lines will be overlapping lines. So the condition for coincident lines is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. These are coincident lines. Suppose you are getting a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then they are intersecting lines. And suppose it is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then they are parallel lines. No solutions.